Namin, kami nag-decorate niyan and everything.
Yeah, it's all right there.
No, it looks nice. I guess they put like grass seeds here. No, it looks more
And they water.
grassy, yeah. Now we're cooking some adobo. So ito pala guys yung
Someone's already
oh yeah. So
living.
ito pala guys yung dapat na bahay namin. Kami nag-decorate niyan and everything. But yeah, hindi namin tinuloy. But ito yung neighborhood niya. So yeah. Someone already bought it? Yeah. Parang may nakatira na kagad. Alam din kasi namin ni Austin na even though na i-cancel namin yung pagbili na ng bahay namin dito is hindi siya magtatagal sa market dahil nga okay din talaga. It looks really nice too.
Yeah, it's a nice neighborhood.
Yeah. But I like our neighborhood better.
Same here.
Yeah. Well, that's nice. Pickup truck. Tinignan lang namin dahil curious kami kung ano na bang progress dito. So, if itinuloy namin to, siguro ang... What do you think is their move-in day? If like they... August? September? Because it looks like complete.
I think it's complete.
Yeah. Oh, and I guess they put like grass seeds here. Now it looks more
And they water.
grassy, yeah.
See, those are all water. So this is all should be
Green.
green grass.
Oh, okay. Not bad. So, yeah. Nagko-construct pa sila ng iba pang mga bahay. I-share ko lang din pala sa inyo guys itong video na tinake ko, I think last January or February pa. Noon ngang nagtitingin-tingin pa kami ng bahay ni Austin. Supposedly dapat kasi yung newly build na house yung bibilhin namin, which is ito yung floor plan niya. Kaso hindi namin itinuloy dahil nga nakita namin itong bahay na namin ngayon sa market at nasa maganda din siyang neighborhood. So, ayun, instead na mag-wait pa kami up to October para makapag-move in, kinancel na lang namin, guys, yung aming reservation dahil nakapagpa-reserve na kami ng lupa, kung anong type ng house yung gusto namin. Nakapamili na din kami ng mga floors, ng mga tiles, anong carpet yung gusto, and everything. Kaso, ayun nga, hindi na namin siya naituloy. Ang kagandahan lang, na-refund naman namin yung down payment na binayad namin.
Yeah.
Just that. So I guess we need to buy our own fridge and then washer and dryer.
I don't know.
Yeah, I feel like that's the only thing that's included. This is what our living room going to be. So that's where we're gonna put our dining table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then right here will be.
Is it going to be facing this way or that way?
We can do either way.
Yeah.
But whatever we figure out, I want to like. What I would like to do, to be honest with you, I'd like it facing this way, and then I can do the fireplace.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That way it's like.
Yeah, it's all right there.
I'll be okay with that.
We can do like.
That way, our couch, yeah, it's not facing, yeah. I think it would be nice.
And then the blinds, I would rather put in our own blinds. We can go to Home Depot or Lowe's later, and I can show you the type of blinds. Like we can do the ones that you do that, or you can literally like grab it and then like completely black out the whole fucking thing.
Okay. Or maybe, no, because it's gonna be like that. Like curtain.
Oh yeah,
But we'll put it.
We're gonna have to install our own curtains,
Yeah.
curtain rods and everything.
It's not gonna be this big of...
Like, we don't even need the shades, we could just install curtains.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. That would be really nice.
Yeah, to have. We've never had pantry.
I guess we'll
get that one too. Looks nice. And then these are the 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, this
Looks nice.
This is the master?
No, this is the 2 small ones.
Oh, okay. Where's the master?
It's right there. Bathroom. Ito pa yung isang room. Now we can like see everything too.
Yeah.
That's linen.
Yeah. We got plenty of storage under there.
Yeah. I like the floor. Can we just walk in?
I guess it'll look like this too. See, that would look good with black.
Oh yeah. It looks nice. And then this is going to be shower.
Yeah, walk-in shower.
Yeah.
And then you get all of this. You get this right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like these cabinets. That one doesn't come out.
Oh, it's just a design.
Because the sink's behind it.
Oh. I like the mirror.
Does it look warped or does it actually look good?
No, it looks nice, I think. Yeah, I like this house.
And then with this, we'll get a storm door.
Yeah, and then we'll just keep this open.
Yeah.
For the dogs, yeah. Then it's on. Hi guys! So today is Sunday. Nagpe-prepare pala ako dahil pupunta kami ng church and then after that, mag-grocery kami sa Costco. Time ng misa na attenda namin this time is 8:30. Usually dun kami sa 10:30 but yeah, gusto namin ni Austin na mas maaga ngayon para mas maaga din kaming makapunta sa Costco. Kasi Austin pala is nasa sa bahay pa siya nung kapatid niya. Dahil nga, wala dun yung kapatid niya at kailangan ng mga dogs na mapalabas. Wala kasi silang doggy door din. At saka para mapakain na din. It's currently siguro mga 7 something pa lang naman. So, madami pa kaming time. Yung kapatid ni Austin is parang hanggang Thursday ata silang wala. Dahil after ng Mexico nga, dun sa pictorial nila is magdediretso na sila sa San Antonio dahil parang doon ata may work yung kapatid ni Austin or something. Tapos ngayon ko lang nalaman na bawal pala na yung isusuot dahil umorder lang ako sa Shein dahil wala naman talaga akong pinagbibilhan ng ibang damit kundi Shein, tapos mga TJ Maxx, Ross. Hindi ako masyado namimili sa mga mall dahil nga mahal. Ang binili kong dress is purple siya but hindi lavender. Tapos sabi nung kapatid ni Austin is yung bridesmaid daw at saka yung mom niya is nakasuot ng purple. So, bawal palang magsuot ng purple. So, hindi ko alam kung ano susuot ko ngayon. Meron kasi silang group chat sa WhatsApp. Eh, wala akong WhatsApp. Ngayon, si Austin, hindi din siya masyado nagbabasa ng mga group chat na ngayon. Siguro, na-send pala nung kapatid ni Austin, but hindi namin alam. So, yun, ang na-order kong damit or dress is purple. Hindi ko na lang sure kung bawal ba talaga yun dahil hindi naman siya lavender. Hindi siya makakasanib dun sa mga color ng bridesmaid. But, yeah, I still don't know what to wear. Siguro order na lang ako sa Amazon. Sa Shein kasi, ang tagal ng shipping nila, parang inaabot ng almost a month bago makadating dito. Ngayon, parang may 3 weeks na lang before the wedding. So, hindi na aabot if ever na umorder pa ako ng iba. So, siguro mag-a-Amazon na lang ako at titingin din ako siguro sa mga TJ Maxx dahil wala na akong choice ngayon. Sa Costco dito dahil kakabukas lang niya this July. At parang sabi nila, pinakamalaking Costco daw to sa Texas. Hindi ko alam kung ba't nila dito nilagay dahil ang liit lang naman ng city namin. But yung city kasi namin is kakonekta siya nung isa pang city. So parang nagko-combine na yung dalawang city. Siguro kaya nila nilagyan din dito ng Costco. Dahil kung matatandaan nyo, yung pinag-Costcohan namin ni Austin is, ano pa siya, 2 hours away. Nagdadrive kami ng 2 hours para lang makapag-Costco. This time, wala na. Hindi na natin need magpunta ng ganun kalayo. So we are on our way now papunta sa church. It's currently 8:12 at meron pa kaming 9 minutes. So yung misa pala na attenda namin is about 8:30. Usually yung 10:30 yung ina-attenda namin, but this time sabi namin agahan namin para mas maaga din kami makapunta sa Costco. So, kakatapos lang pala ng misa and now, on our way naman kami sa Costco. We're gonna eat breakfast there too and do our grocery shopping dahil bibili kami ng tubig doon, the chicken.
Yeah, never shop on an empty stomach.
Yep, never shop on an empty stomach dahil kung ano yung mabibili natin na hindi naman kailangan. But yeah, we're gonna try to budget, hopefully. $100 na. When it comes to Costco, we usually spend about $200 for just like random stuff.
And we try a lot of stuff out. So.
I know, yeah.
Like eventually we'll probably dial it into exactly what we want, but I mean we haven't been around a Costco in like a year, so we keep on trying new stuff.
Yeah. So here it is, guys. Nandito na kami. Magpapagas din pala kami dito. Pinakamurang gas dito eh. The gas here is about like $2.39
right now. Yeah. Service $2.38.
Oh, $2.38.
Yeah.
Okay, not bad. And it's almost empty. Our gas. I won't show. Yeah, really?
Yeah, it's right there at the bottom.
So yan, almost empty. Tingnan natin kung magkano nga abutin natin dito. Wala naman kami masyadong balak bilhin dito, but lagi naman ganun lang nangyayari. Wala masyadong balak, and then maya-maya ang dami na naming nasa sa cart. But ang pinaka-main thing na bibilihin namin dito is water, and then yung $5 rotisserie chicken nila. Pwede ko pala siyang gawing sisig. So yun yung ginawa ko last weekend. Sabi ni Austin, yun na lang din daw yung lutuin ko this week. Kakatapos lang ni Austin. And tingnan natin kung magkano bang inabot ng almost full tank dito sa aming Corolla. How much is it?
$22.69.
Not bad.
That's why I love our Corolla.
Yeah. We actually miss our Corolla for a week dahil yung truck yung ginagamit namin eh medyo ano din siya sa gas.
I'm gonna hold it.
Yeah. Mahal siya sa gas. What is the full tank for that truck? Like 60 or 70?
No, that one's like 45 out here in Texas. 45,
Okay.
maybe 50.
Open pa lang sila, guys. Pa-open pa lang, pero yun na yung mga sasakyan. Nice. And we're right there. Love carts. Our current scenario right now. Some shelves here. This is the master. Looks great outside. So today is Thursday. Si Austin pala is wala ngayon dahil sa hotel siya nagstay. Dahil medyo malayo yung pinagsasurveyan niya. So ngayon is maaga tayong gumising para magpanggap. Ito pala ang outfit natin today dahil magwo-workout tayo. So ito na pala guys ang aming garage. Finally, ayan, medyo set up na kami dito. Meron tayong elliptical dyan. And then, naglagay din si Austin ng TV. Doon, matagal na naming TV yan. Nilagay na lang namin dyan. Tapos, maliit lang din naman siya. And then, ito ngang, ano bang tawag dito? But yan, ito mostly yung ginagamit ni Austin. Nandoon pa din yung toolbox niya dahil important yan. And meron pa din kami mga maliliit na stuff dyan. At ito pala yung mga pinagkakaabalahan namin ni Austin the past weekends is nagagawa siya ng ganito. Mga shelf para meron kami mga pagpatungan. And then another maliit na toolbox dyan. Then yan, yung mga blower. Tapos yung mga pang garden. Kahit hindi naman kami masyado nag-garden. And then, ayan, may ladder din. Tapos iyon is, gamit din niya yan from something eh. Ayan, tapos pinang-display na lang ni Austin yung mga luma niyang plate numbers dito. Ito pala is, gusto sana itong equip ni Austin dahil gawa niya to. Parang storage siya. Kaso wala na kami mapapaglagyan, guys. Dito kasi namin ipapark yung kotse namin. Tapos ito, pag dito namin siya nilagay, hindi na magkakasya. Medyo maliit din kasi itong aming garage na to. Kaya ayan, hindi na kakasya. So, ibibigay na lang ni Austin to dun sa kakilala niya. Siya, may lawnmower din kami dyan. Hindi pa namin alam kung saan namin ito lalagay dahil hindi na din kasya yung isang sasakyan nga dito. Super liit lang nitong aming garage na to ngayon. So, yeah, magpanggap lang ako ng 30 minutes. Siguro mag-elliptical ako. Now, we're cooking some adobo. Lalagyan ko siya nitong coconut milk.